how to make first person in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Roblox Studio right here and make sure that you open your game. So once you open your game right here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the right screen and then under the Explorer, look for Starter GUI. So this is the one right here. So what we're going to do next is to click the Add button and then look for local script. So just click the local script right there and then this will pop up. So all you have to do is to remove this one. And then once you do that, just paste this code right here. So this code will be in the description box. So all you have to do is to click the link right there, which will redirect you into this code. So all you have to do is to copy that and then paste it right here. And then what you can do in this part is to actually change the sensitivity, the smoothness, and the field of view of your character. So once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, save the game. So what we're going to do is to go back into this part. And then in the file, what we're going to do is to save to Roblox. And then click the save button once again. And then after that, once you save your game, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the game settings. So just click that one right there. And then in this part on the security, so just click that. Make sure that you enable Studio access to API services. So enable that and then click the save button. And then if we go back right here and if we test the game once again, so just click the play button and then as you can see, we are now in first person view. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. Once again, that is how to make first person view in Roblox Studio.